I'm in love with you, baby, for real. I'm in love with you, baby, for real.
Tell me anything you think I wanna hear.
What you wanna hear? What you wanna
right
hear?
Now, take me anywhere I wanna go.
Where you wanna go, baby?
Right now, tell me how much you love me.
I love you, girl.
Show me how much you care.
I care for you.
I'm in love.
What?
I'm in love.
What?
I'm in love.
Yeah, it was all a dream. Think about my girl, if you love me now, should've crossed me now. I'll be with my niggas.
Yo, what up Cape Town, what up Dar es Salaam? This is your boy Swahili Fire chilling with the Mr. Blue, and this is UCT Radio, man. Welcome to Cape Town, my man.
Yeah,
it's been
man.
a long time, Mr. Blue.
Thanks, man.
Yo,
Thanks,
man, just tell me, how is the game back home? Like now, like who's number one? I know you're gonna say you're number one. I know you're big out there.
Everybody's in number one.
Everybody's number one.
Yeah.
Okay. Hip hop and R&B, which is on top now? I heard about Diamond is doing good.
Yeah.
Lady AD as well.
As well, yeah.
And Mr. Blue, you back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back in the game.
Back in the game again.
Yeah.
Yo, back and going a little bit, back and going. And Micharazo.
Yes.
Where is Micharazo? Are they? Oh yeah, Micharazo is here.
Yeah, we still represent Micharazo, B.O.B. You know.
Okay, B.O.B.
Yeah.
B.O.B. So who is there for Micharazo? Yeah, there is Mr. Blue.
Yeah.
And
B.O.B. we got Nyandu Tozi.
Nyandu Tozi from Kinondoni, right?
Kinondoni, exactly.
Away, Nyandu. Najua Nyandu Tozi, yes.
Yeah, man.
And okay, just two of you.
Yeah, the two of us. Yeah.
Away, salute. Yo, Mr. Late.
Cape Town.
Yo, cool.
Wendago family from the scratch, you know.
Yeah.
You know how to do it.
Mr. Blue, from Lil Sama to Mr. Blue, grown up now, represent.
Grown ass man.
Nawashukuru wangu mafans kwa kuwa mko na mimi. Ni miaka 19.
Nimekuwa kiakili, nimekuwa kimuziki, na roho ya kijasiri na wajua wanafiki, na kwenye tua na kamua kila wiki, sibani pua wanajua mashabiki, ukizingua na zingua kwani vipi, ukibandika na bandua sorry ziki. Babylon Bison in the building. You know how it is.
Yani tunaumiza tu, yani hapa Micharazo tunafunika tu,
Mapera.
Waambie Wandago family tupo Cape Town hapo 104.5 UCT
Radio. Mapera afu tunachemsha na akapela.
Yeah, tuko na Mr. Blue hapa, alafu Micharazo au sio?
Micharazo.
Mpango mzima mchini.
Mr. Blue baby.
Tulia. Oyo. Mwana baadaye basi mwanangu. Saluti mwanangu.
Sisi ni watu, sisi ni hapa Cape Town.
Yeah.